All right, we are in a client's crawl space that we're going to be doing some work in, and I want to kind of show the process bit by bit of what we're going to do, but let me just kind of show you all the problems going on down here. First of all, there's no vapor barrier at all on the ground. As a result, if you look back in there, you can see all the insulation's falling down. That's because it's vented. You can see the vents. Almost all, actually all of them don't have a screen, a rodent screen across them. And I'll get to that in a minute, but there's all kind of moisture being released from the ground that causes that insulation to fall down. So it's like not having any insulation. It's really a mess. What insulation there is, I've taken some of it down here, but you can kind of see the line of the mold, where the mold starts right below where the insulation was, where the wood's been exposed for years. And so anyway, we're going to fix that. That's part of the solution we're going to have for them. But you can just see this crawl space is absolutely filthy. So she's got a mess going on. They've replaced some of the returns, you can see, but what they did is they tied them into what's called a pan duct, where they use the framing of the house as an air pathway. So they take sheet metal and they basically just nail it up. You can see the nails there. So I got a seal around this real good, and then we'll use our AeroSeal method to get every nook and cranny done. But I want to just show you something. If you can see, all right, look at this gap and look at all the crud growing right there. That's going up into her house, and she's breathing that. That's the return. So that's being brought down in the air conditioner and then blown out all in the house. All this nasty air down here she's being exposed to. If you look at the insulation, you can see how filthy it is, where it's just acted like an air pathway. So that means all that air over the years has gone up into the house. This awful air down here. And getting back to the vented areas, you can see one over there that doesn't have a screen on it. That allows pests in, and man, they have set up shop in this insulation. I've seen all kinds of feces and great stuff like that. So anyway, we're going to completely seal this up and dehumidify this space, and man, the difference in her air quality is going to be just phenomenal. It'll be so much healthier, way more energy efficient, and it'll add a lot of value to the house when she goes to sell it. So we'll show you some additional progress